This dance is called Louisiana Dreaming. It's a 32 count, 4-wall, beginner level line dance. We're starting with some heel splits. So you're going to keep your toes on the floor where they are, and you're going to move your heels out to the side, back to the middle, out to the side, back to the middle. So 2 heel splits. Now walk forward, right foot leading, 3 steps, walking right, left, kick that left forward. So that set of steps once more, those heel splits. It's only the heels that are moving, the toes stay where they are. 7, 8, heel split, walk, 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 kick. Walk back 3 steps, left foot leading because it's in that kick position. So walk back left, left, touch that right beside the left. So that right is just resting there. We can go into some side touches. Step the right to the side, touch the left beside the right, step the left to the side, touch the right beside the left. That set of steps once more then. We're in that kick position, the left is kicked forward, walking back on that left. 7, 8, back, touch, side, touch, side, touch. Let's add that to the top. Heel splits, and then we walk off on that right foot. 7, 8, heel, split, walk, 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 kick, back, touch, side, touch. Add on a couple of vines. So we're going to vine to the right to start with. Right foot leads because it's in that touch position. So we step the right to the side, cross that left behind the right, step the right to the side, touch the left beside the right. Repeat going back to the left. So the left is in the touch position, so the left moves to the side, cross the right behind the left, step the left to the side, touch the right beside the left. So 2 vines with touches. Do that set of steps once more. Off on the right. 7, 8, side, behind, side, touch, side, behind, side, touch. Let's add that to the top. Heel splits, then we walk forward on the right. 7, 8, heel, split, walk, 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 kick, back, touch, side, touch, side, behind, side, touch, side, behind, side, touch. Into a Monterey quarter turn. So we are going to be putting a quarter turn into this next set of steps. So with that Monterey turn, you're going to point the right to the right side. Bring that right back beside the left, but as you do so, make a quarter turn to the right. So you should now be facing the right wall at 3 o'clock. To finish the Monterey turn, you point the left out to the left side, step the left beside the right. So it's a point, turn, point, close. That is your Monterey turn. We're going to finish the dance off with some heel switches. So touch your right heel forward, step the right back beside the left, touch that left heel forward, step the left back beside the right. So it's 2 sets of heel switches. So try that set of steps once more then. It's Monterey quarter turn. 7, 8, point, turn, point, close, heel, close, heel, close. end a dance when we get to that point. Let's put it all together. Heel splits off on no particular foot at all. Heel splits and then walk off on the right. 7, 8. Heel, split, walk, 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 kick, back, 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 touch, side, touch, side, touch, side, behind, side, touch, side, behind, side, touch, point, turn, point, close, heel, close, heel, close. So that is your dance. Now the music is just a little bit faster than what we've just done there. So this is a full wall dance. We'll repeat the front wall, we'll speed it up a little bit, then we'll continue to go around the remaining walls. And I might just increase the speed a little bit more as we go through those walls. Heel splits, and walking forward on the right. 7, 8. Heel split, walk, 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 kick, back, 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 touch, side, touch, side, touch, side, behind, side, touch, side, behind, side, touch, point, turn, point, close, heel, close, heel, close, heel, split, walk, 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 kick, back, 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 touch, side, touch, side, touch, side, behind, side, touch, side, behind, side, touch, point, turn, point, close, heel, close, heel, close, heel, split, walk, 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 kick, back, 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 touch, side, touch, side, behind, side, touch, side, behind, side, touch, point, turn, point, close, heel, close, heel, close, heel, split, walk, 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 kick, back, 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 touch, side, touch, side, behind, side, touch, side, behind, side, touch, point, turn, point, close, heel, close, heel, close. Hopefully you managed to keep up with that. So that's it, that is your dance and your walk through. Let's give it a go to their music.
When you get down the fiddle and you get down the bow, kick off your shoes and you throw them on the floor. Dance in the kitchen till the morning light, Louisiana Saturday night.
5, 6, 7, 8.
Waiting in the front yard, sitting on the lawn, singing Southern rattle and the one-eyed dog. I'm a come country folk in the moonlight, Louisiana Saturday night. When you get down the fiddle and you get down the bow, kick off your shoes and you throw them on the floor. Dance in the kitchen till the morning light, Louisiana Saturday night.
Heel split, walk, 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 kick, back, 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 touch, side, side, behind, side, behind, side, point, turn, point, close, heel, heel split, walk, 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 kick, back, 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 touch, side, behind, side, point, turn, point, close, heel, close,
Me and my woman's gonna slip off to bed. Have a little fun when we turn out the lights. Louisiana Saturday night. When you get down the fiddle and you get down the bow, kick off your shoes and you throw them on the floor. Dance in the kitchen till the morning light.
Monterey.
Louisiana Saturday night. Yeah, you get down the fiddle and you get down the bow, kick off your shoes and you throw them on the floor. Dance in the kitchen till the morning light. Louisiana Saturday night.
Heel splits. Back. 5. Monterey.
Yeah, you get down the fiddle and you get down the bow, kick off your shoes and you throw them on the floor. Dance in the kitchen till the morning light.
Hope you managed that one.